John Little is Howard Stern. Ben Wolkemer plays Gorilla Boy, and Amy Sagan in the part she was born for, Radio Slut, in Howard Stern's Private Parts.
You're on with the king of all media. I am Howard Stern. And basically, right here in the studio, I have my intern, Gorilla Boy.
I love this job, Howard. You kill me. You just kill me.
You're a moron. You know that. I bet you've got smaller genitals than I do.
The genitals.
You're about like that, aren't you? Almost like a gnat, aren't you?
Gnat.
That's right.
Gnats
All right, I'll tell you what. Let's do a stupid phone call, shall we?
I love those. You kill me, Howard. You're the king. You are the king.
Hi, is Mancow there?
Mancow.
Mancow, you suck. I think I showed him. He'll never mess with the king of all media again.
No one else will do that.
That's right. The only thing I need right now is like a woman to come in here and rub herself on me or something, and then my show would be complete. That's all I need.
Oh, Howard, I love your show. Can I take all my clothes out for you?
Yes, you can. Anytime you want. Let me tell you something. You are cute. Come over here. Look at you. Do you know what I would do to you if I weren't married? Do you know what I would do to you? It would be illegal what I would do to you. It would be absolutely incredible. Let me guess. Your dress size, is it 3, 4, 5, what?
3.
Dress size is 3. And now what's your IQ? 3, 4, 5, 4. Wait, so have you met Gorilla Boy? This man has no genitals whatsoever.
He's the king!
Have you ever even touched a woman, Gorilla Boy?
That's the woman! That's the good one!
I tell you what, you're kind of a moron, but you are cute. Look at you. You're funny. You work out? You work out a lot? I bet you do. Ooh, good Lord, look at this. What kind of bra are you wearing right now?
None.
That's what I love about these women. This is the kind of woman. Gorilla Boy, you did good. Where's Baba Booey? He did good getting this girl in here. I've never worked with a 13-inch kielbasa. We got to get you onto that stage. Now, are you a dancer? Are you a stripper? Are you an actress? What are you?
I'm a stripper.
You're a stripper. Of course, I could see that one coming. Let me tell you. Now, you want to give us a demonstration here so that Gorilla Boy can say that he's actually seen a pair of breasts?
Breasts!
You honestly have no genitals, do you?
Genitals! You're the king!
I'm Howard Stern, the king of all media. That's enough of my show today, you morons.